boo boo boo. Do you guys want music or like just quiet ASMR stream is fine? I know that the Pikachu is a little off color, but I really love the butt. Look at that. How would you want to change the Pikachu bud? Like, how would you want to change the Pikachu bud? It looks so cute. It looks so cute. Yeah, wait, is it 100? Is it 100 all in here? I mean, not 100. I mean, maybe 100 minus this and this and this. This is my cinnamon roll. Would not change that. This one I would not change. This one I would not change because I really love those three. Yeah, hi Rob. Why would you not want to look at the Pika's butt? It's so cute. Look at that. Look at the Pika's butt. It's like Pika Pika. Pika. Pika Pika. You know? Oh, 101. Well, I guess then that's 101 keyboard that will be changing today. It's gonna be a long stream today. The cinnamon roll and Pikachu stay and Kirby stay too. And Kirby stay. Yeah. And then I have a very like I don't know what tool is this. I have this tool for like many years. Um when I first got one of the random keyboards, it's like included. So hopefully, hopefully, hopefully this is okay. Did I get the Iron Mouse stuff? Yes, this is the Iron Mouse keycaps. I'm gonna change the Iron Mouse keycap. I bought it as a gift. Oh sorry, someone gave it to me. And I really want to change it. Yeah, I think it will be fun to do a keyboard changing. You use your fingers to remove keys. Isn't that like a little bit aggressive to like hurt the keyboard? I tried it before and I don't think it's gonna work good. Hi Nickel Punch. Nice avatar. Thank you, thank you. It's not officially debut yet because it's still working. So I only have the head. I only have the head right now. I hope that you guys don't mind this floating head. Hope you guys don't mind this floating head. That is so straightforward, bird. But thank you so much for it. Lovely keybots. Yeah, it's gonna be more lovely. It's gonna be more lovely when I put this on here. You see that? Hi, Sleepy. Yeah, we're gonna build some keyboard. Actually, it's not keyboard, it's keycap. I should have. It's keycap. It's keycap. Bum, 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 bum. Let me I'm contacting my artist. Okay. Let's see. You enjoying my live? You mean like my live stream? Thank you. Thank you. It's a little quiet though. Sleep. Thank you for the one gift. What the heck? Thank you. I appreciate it. I hope you have a good day so far, Sleepy. Yeah, I can't wait how it turns out too. There are some keycaps that I won't be putting on because of the logo. Um, but I will be putting on some of the good stuff. Yeah, so there will be five keys of not putting on, I think. You want to be on the leaderboard. Blue, thank you so much for the gift as well. Thank you. You want to be on the leaderboard too? You want to be on the leaderboard too? Hello, Trash Panda. I'm just changing keycap today, and it's kind of like a cozy, low energy stream today because I'm not feeling my best still. Trying to recover. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this cozy little stream. Not little, actually. I have collab later, but yeah. But we're changing to the iMouse keycap today. It looks really good. I got this as a gift. So thank you so much for gifting this to me. Thank you, Burr. Thank you. Okay, let's change it. Okay, I'm gonna explain it today. I'm gonna explain it again. Because a lot of people are coming in. I'm gonna explain it today. ASMR, uh Pikachu stay, Kirby stay, and Cinnamon Roll stay, okay? Those three stay. Those three stays. Those three stays. Yes, it's a keyboard upgrade. And then I have not cleaned my keyboard for years, so don't mind if you see a lot of dust or anything. It's gonna be dirty, you know, it's keyboard, it's gonna be dirty. I have a brush, we're gonna clean it, and then I have this little tool, we're gonna use it. And I'm not expert, okay? I don't change key. I don't change keycap all the time. So I'm not an expert. Don't judge. The cute stuff stay. Yes. I might need more than one brush. You think so? Cutie stay. Yes, yes, cutie stay. They all stay. That's right. Pika Cinnamon and Kirby keycap stay. Thank you for the pin pose, Misty. Thank you, thank you. Be careful. Okay. I will try not to ruin my keyboard. This is the only keyboard I have at the moment, so I will try not to ruin it. Okay. Um, two of my friends have incidents about keyboards lately, and I don't want to happen to me too. I don't want it to happen to me. Wet wipes and Q-tips. Oh, wow, it's very thorough. Very, very thorough. I need a gob keycap. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. You know what? Maybe I will like turn on a like a lo-fi music, and then I'm gonna use the thing that Robbie taught me about the Spotify. I feel like it could be more vibey, you know. Where is it again? Let me find it. They have non-copyright lo-fi music. Yeah, I think so. Okay. I'm gonna sign in. Yeah, that's my VTuber. It's not officially debut yet because it's still working in progress, but I really like want to show you guys. I'm really excited. That's why I show it to you. Yeah, Spotify. It's already connected. Like, let me see if it's working. Let me see. Oh, I think it's working. But the thing is, can you even hear? Can you hear it? You can hear it now. Hello, Tiara. No, no Tiara. Just a maid outfit. Hear it now? That's good. Nice. Max, howdy, 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 Max. Okay, is this good? Good music? Good music for cozy stream? Thank you, Blue. Thank you for the love. Thank you. It's not a Marvel rival shirt. It's a Playboy shirt. Okay, we gotta start working. Otherwise, we won't be finishing this keyboard today at all. Let's start with, I have to turn this off actually, so that I won't accidentally like click on something. Okay, we're gonna start with maybe like the control, or should we start with this? Start with to the left, which is to the left, and then to the right. Is it a bunny shirt? It's a bunny shirt. Yes, it's a Playboy bunny. You want me to be louder? You want the music to be louder? To better? Left to right, right? So here, left, my left to the right. Or do you want your left to the right? I think it's here, left. Yeah, okay. Let's go. We could go from the bottom, the top. Here. Let's see. So this is this. Actually, we'll start from F1 key. Wait, F. Oh, wait, I need to brush it. The first one. It fits. Okay, give me 1 second. I'll be back. One second. Got a small napkin so we can put the dust on the brush. The brush from, I don't know. The dust from the brush. Okay. Yeah, the first keycap placed. Second one. We should do all the F key first, and then we'll start from here, and then tab, caps, shift, control, Windows, Alt, and then we do the key, and then we do the numbers maybe, and then we go straight like this, and then here. How about that? Hey, 3 more to go. Lookies, welcome in. Hi Ash, that's your bash. Welcome in. Sounds good. Yeah, sounds good. We do F keys first. F2, very cute. It's smaller than it. There we go. You gotta press it hard too, like this, so that it feels good. You gotta make sure that it feels good. Yeah, it feels good. It feels good. There we go. Be careful wiggling them. Yeah, I'll try. I try not to hurt my keyboard. If I broke it, I broke it. Oh wait, I forgot to brush it. They're actually not that dirty, actually. They're actually pretty clean. As far as I can tell, they're pretty clean. Also, while I do the keycap, you guys can chat. You guys wanna talk about stuff, just let me know. Do the numbers? I'll do the numbers later. Hi, Mantel. Yeah, this is a little bit higher. Oh, the balance now. Ooh, look at that. 4 done. I wonder how long would it take for me to change out of the keycap. What do you think, Chad? How long would it take? 20 minutes? Oh, Papaya! Welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, we're changing keycaps today. Here we go. App 6. There we go. 5 minutes speed run. No, it's a cozy stream, okay? Thank you, Max, for the love. Thank you, thank you. I'm gonna drink my juice too. Thank you, appreciate it. Maybe like 20 minutes? Wait. I mean, I already done changing like almost like all the F keys. It's already halfway. Yeah, they're not at 30 actually. I don't see the dust that much. That's why I'm not cleaning it too much of it. 20, that's what I was thinking too. Probably 20. Gotta wait until I get ASWD. Wait. I'm at F9 now. And then when I finish changing all the F keys, I'll show you guys again. Almost done, almost done. Okay, here. It's kind of cool. Look at the color. It's actually pretty nice. It's pink and then it's like purple. I like it, I like it. So far, so good. So far, so good. It's kind of... Yeah. Let's turn on and see. It doesn't show the light, but I think it's pretty cool still. It doesn't really show the lights of the keycap. And then now we're gonna start with this, and then tab, caps, shift, control, Windows, and then Alt. Yeah, it looks nice with the keyboard color. And I'm glad that my keyboard is white too. It looks pretty nice. Yeah, feel free to come chill on my stream. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And then the tab. Well, if I stream with my friends, it's not as chill as you think it will be. It will be quite a bit of chaotic. Yeah, the Pika and the Kirby's, they're staying. They are staying. They're not leaving. They'll stay. We're staying. Love it so much. We're staying. Papaya, thank you for the 2 months. Thank you. Appreciate it. Vlogs. Alt and space bar. Oh wait, see this. Oh, that's actually kind of comfortable to click on. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Hi, Zena. Yeah, we're doing the keycaps. We're switching up. I'm trying to be gentle. Hi, Devoing. That's true. I was wondering how I'm gonna switch the space bar because this is a very small tool. I don't really have a big tool to remove the space bar. I might break it, you know? No, it's not a left-handed keyboard. I think it's because my camera, it's not mirror, so it just looks like it's different angle. But the keyboard actually looks like this. No, so it's not left-handed now. Hey, so far it turns out pretty good. Look at that. It turns out pretty good. Yeah, I gotta be gentle there. Oh, my arrow is also on the right-hand side too. It's just the camera angle are different. I think the camera, it's like mirroring or something, so it just looks like it's not on like the right-hand side, but this is actually my right. This is my right, this is my left. Yeah, the keyboard being white actually pops more too. Yes. I might switch some out later, like to make it like white, pink, and then purple or something. Not like fully pink. Something like that. Yeah. Ah! No, I dropped it! I dropped it, Chad! I dropped it! Uh-oh. Should I do... Where is it? Oh no. I dropped it, Chad! Oh well. No! Chad! I dropped one. I'll have to pick it up later. This is like really hard. I don't know how to do this. I have no idea how to do the spacebar. I might have to just not switch the spacebar. Oh wait, I think I can do it. I know. I need to get the standing claws. The boy has it now. Yeah, that's true. I got it out. I got it out. It's very dirty. The spacebar. It's like mostly just dust actually. Yeah, I probably will do that. Give me 1 sec. Give me 1 sec, Chad. Give me 1 sec. Give me 1 sec. Okay, found it. Okay. Found it. I'm back. It's literally right below my dun dun. This is a good one. This is like a little window skin. Oh, yummy, nice. Devastator. Yeah, it's gonna be a cozy stream today. Welcome in. What do you think so far, Chad? It's coming along. It's looking really good. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, key retrieve mission success. It's a success. Okay, let's change this one first. Another alt. Let's brush it off a little. So how's everybody's day so far? You guys doing well? You guys doing okay? Maybe after this, if Metzi is still not online yet, maybe I'll play what is that called? Crime Scene Cleaner, maybe the nightmare version. I'm actually afraid to play alone because it was kind of scary. The nightmare version. That's what I was thinking. Yeah, match the white keys. But then I want to like change fully first, and then I want to like figure it out. Yeah, makes sense. Some days are a long day. Yeah, it makes sense. Oh, it's a menu. This one actually right menu right here. Menu. Control. It's hot. But you're feeling a little hot. It's like purple velvet cake, so yummy. It looks like it actually. It does look like it, isn't it? It does look like it. It's a little purple cake. It's a little what is it called? Velvet cake. Yeah. So cute. Actually, it's really cool. It looks so good on the camera. Look at that. It looks so good. I actually like it. Kind of like it. Okay. Okay. Now we gotta change numbers. I know you should get some sleep, Zana. Get some rest. Sleep well. Yeah, the keyboard looks so good actually. Just listen to my stream and sleep. I even put a cozy music in here. No, my keyboard is not that dirty. I don't usually like to eat on top of my keyboard. I have a little like plastic cover. If I like eat something like dirty and stuff. I don't usually eat on my PC table unless I stream, I guess, or unless I really have to watch stuff on my PC. Yeah, I have 2 different shade of pink. It's like kind of like a little, what is it called? Ambient? Gradient? Kind of like that. Yeah. Oh no, you spilled ramen there. That's actually really bad. That's actually really bad. It's definitely trauma. I don't want it to be trauma. It's bad. It's a trauma. I am very, very, very careful when I eat stuff. If I have to eat it on my PC, I'm like super careful. I like really don't want to spill it on my keyboard or even on my mouse pad. I don't want it to spill it. I will be so mad at myself if I do that. No, actually, Zena, you find it very surprising. I have never cleaned my keyboard ever. Ever since I got this keyboard, I never clean it. I never clean it. Yeah. Oh, you can wash your desk, man? Really? I didn't know you can do that. Like, just dump it into washing machine and wash it? Is that how you do it? Should I just dump it into my washing machine and clean it? Oh yeah, the Zambara run everywhere. This. I got so mad. This is why I don't eat. I don't want to eat it on my PC. God damn, that Zambaro. That Zambaro. Reminds you of laundry? Go do laundry. Not often, no dryer. But can it actually put it in a laundry? Or like, do you just hand wash it? You know what I mean? Do you like hand wash it or like just... Let me actually... Oh, my legs is tired. Okay. I'm actually kind of surprised too that my keyboards are actually not that dirty. It's just mostly dust and a little bit crumbs here and there, but that's it. Wipe it side to side. I think mine is like cotton though. Like it should be, yeah, I think it's probably okay to wipe it. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Looks good, looks good. With cold water and that. That's clever, that's clever. That is so funny, Zana. True though. Almost done with the number. Otherwise it will get like kind of like wrinkle, right? You gotta hang it as flat. I thought it would just be bad, in a bad shape. I like that I put it in and I just like kind of type it. It's kind of cool. It's like very like satisfying. Ah, Marlos, thank you for the sub. Thank you. Welcome. You're now a goblin. You love me forever? But is your first message saying on my stream? Is that true? Are you sincere? Are you sincere about your love? Get your keyboard off. Yeah. It could be 5 ever. You think so? Hi, Marlos. Thank you so much for the sub again. Welcome. I hope you have an amazing day today. So far. Today is just a cozy stream. How easy was it for the new song feature for me to set up? It's actually really easy. I found it a little bit like hard to connect to my Spotify for some reason, but then after that it just auto connected like after a few like minutes. So yeah. Other than that, it's actually not that bad. Everything else looks like just went smoothly and easy. Thank you for recommending me that though. It's really nice. Wait. Did I put in the right one? Is it the right? I think so. Looks okay. Oh, it disappeared. No music is playing. I have no idea. I actually didn't know that. Thank you for letting me know that. I actually did not know that. That's good to know. Yeah, that's good to know. Okay, chat. Almost done with this one. I'll show it to you. It's chill in here, yeah. It's a chill. It's so funny. It is a handy feature. I'm pretty sure all the gobs will appreciate the feature that you recommend to me. Yeah, I'm planning to set up the little Spotify playlist, but I have to figure out that first. I haven't had time to do some research on that yet, but we can have a little shared Spotify list in the near future. We'll upgrade a little bit more. Yeah, makes sense. I just try like be very gentle not to hurt it. I don't want to hurt the keyboard. Oh my god, it looks so good. Look at that. So far it looks so good. It actually looks kind of good. Like with the pink and then the pink and then the pink here and then like pink here and then pink here. It could be like the letters. It's like I'm gonna leave the letter last so that we'll see if it's like really cool. It's like a transition kind of thing. Howdy, G. Howdy. We're changing keycaps. Oh wait, my chibi can do the tongue too. You see it? Oh god. I just realized that. Yeah, I have an iron mouse. Super cute, right? Meh. Is it Logitech? Yes. My keyboard is Logitech, yes. But I believe this keycap is not Logitech. Keycap is a custom. But my keyboard is Logitech, yes. This is Logitech G715. Wait, am I supposed to show you guys this? No, I don't think so. G715. 715. I know that key didn't want to come off at all. I think also because it's a big key. Oh! There we go. Okay, let me brush up a little bit. Are you guys liking the vibe? Is it okay? It's all good. It's the vibe of the cozy vibe. It's my first time doing keyboard changing on stream, so I'm a little nervous. Use that elf strength. I will. Howdy, my milkers. Until I take off a keycaps and get it off. That literally happened just then. That literally happened just now. Like at the very beginning. Love the vibe. I'm glad. Yay! I'm glad. That's good to know. Oh wait. I almost lost the keycap. I was like, where did it went? I dropped it right below my chair. Couldn't find it. Only took me like 5 seconds though. 5 seconds to look for it. It's a big one. I need to work out more. I gotta have an upper strength. Need more upper strength. Got a lot of upper strength. Do I? Wait. Not really. Oh, look at that. It's so cool actually. With the just the white on the letters. It looks kind of cool though actually. Just the white on the letters. Yeah, it's it's actually really cool. Maybe I'll change this one first here. I'll change this here and then change the number. Sorry, the arrow. And then we'll change this one last. It looked really cool. It looked really cool. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, let's do this one first. I think that is... Oh! Look at that. It's kind of cool. They have this Iron Mouse one. Oh wait, I can actually change it. Oh wait, they have different stuff. Oh, maybe this is the number pad that I don't have it. Yeah, this is the number pad thing. I don't have it. It's really, really cute. It's very cute. Yeah, oh, I might look better there, but I want to like change it full and then to see and then maybe change it back after. Because we got plenty of time. You know what I mean? Let me also clean the keyboard a little bit. This is lock, but it says scroll. They don't have the lock button. Wait. Yeah, it's scroll instead of lock. Maybe I'll change the lock to like this one maybe, so that it's not confusing. I don't think it's scroll. I'm gonna do this one. Scroll, it's locked, but it confused me. It confused my brain. It confused my brain. My brain doesn't register as scroll is locked. My brain does not register it like that. I pressed it to lock my my screen, yes. So maybe this one is cute. It's a booby. I like this one. I know, I'm a hyper goldfish. I can't do that. PB. Yeah, the screen lock. It's a screen lock. So it's like this. It looks cute. Get a battery from your mouse? Oh, okay. I thought like from the actual mouse. Okay. Your mouse, your keyboard and mouse. Yeah, I always use the lock button to lock my my screen. I'm surprised that my keyboard is still very clean over the last how many years already. I think I have this card. I really like this keyboard though. It's actually really, really nice. It's a little loud, you know. It's a little loud, but it's not bad. It's a little loud, but it's not bad. All good keyboards are loud. I used to have one of the other Logitech keyboard. It's actually really quiet. It's also very comfortable. I think it's ergonomic keyboard. It's comfortable and nice. And I don't remember. I know that it's a keyboard for a Mac, for my Mac. Okay, I think it's pretty good. Wait, I'm gonna change the arrow first and I'll show you. The arrow is 30. Because I press a lot, I guess. Cute lips on the screen. Look at that. Look at that, it's cute. I actually kinda like it. And then the keyboard is a little bit down. It's a little weird. I think that's it. I think that's how it is. Ta-da! I'm gonna change the letters. It is very cute. I'll come back. It's kinda cool. Okay, let's change the letters now. We get a little sip of water. What the? Santa? Oh wait, I need to change it. Even like with white and purple, it looks kinda cool too, like this. You know? So maybe like in the future, I could like change like all of the white around and then the letters, it's purple and pink. What do you think? It looks kind of nice like this too. Oops. You want a nom nom? Oops. That's so funny. It will be a disaster if any of this is spillover. I do have 2 computers, but I only have 1 keyboard. That is true. I can always save for the other one too. That's right. That's right. Okay, let's see. It looks good already though with the pink there. And then doubly. I gotta remember to brush my thingy. Brush my keyboard thingy. Brush my thingy. That's so funny. W. Okay. And then E. I feel like the letters compare. It's a little bit bigger. But then the app key it's smaller. The purple one, the new one, it's bigger letter. And then the white one it's like small. Makes sense. I actually like smaller because I feel like smaller it's cuter. Bigger looks like a little bit more like child looking, but it's still very cute, you know. So far it's like this. It's cute. I bet it will look really good on my keyboard with all of the keycaps. Go do your laundry, Zena. You're not procrastinating. You're just chilling. You're resting. You're okay. You're watching a lady doing ASMR on keyboard. It's very useful, you know. It's very useful. Just as useful as your laundry. As useful as your laundry. No, you cannot, DJ. Behave yourself. Behave. Almost done on the first row. I have 2 Legos coming on the way. Yay! And then we can build Legos together. We can build Legos together. You're excited, Chad? To build Legos together? Yeah. I have to check when it's the Legos coming though. Probably like you need another like week or 2, I think. Need another 2 weeks or something. It needs to arrive first. Look at that. So far it's actually really good. I like it. I really like it. Look at that. It's turning out really well, I think. Oh, you should go eat food then. Eat proper food. Yeah, the color actually mixes well together. I like it too. Sometime by Christmas. You're right about that. Yes. Sometimes by Christmas. Not so far away. Not so far away. No, it's gonna be in like 2 weeks. It's definitely gonna happen this month. Speaking of that, it's already August. Jack, can you believe that? It's already August. It's crazy. It's already August. 4 months. It's actually really close to Christmas now. I feel like I haven't done anything this year. I feel like I have not done anything this year. Time flies. Time flies. What the heck? What the heck? Time flies so fast. What is going on? I feel like time flies. I haven't even done anything yet. What the heck? What is this kind of conversation going on my chat? Do you guys have any plan for your Christmas? I know it's still a long time, but do you have any plan for your Christmas? That is really hilarious. Staying home? Me too. My family will probably come over, but mostly we're just staying home. Fireworks? Yeah. There'll be a lot of traffic and stuff too in Australia. You know, but yeah. You gotta steal everyone's present and make them sad? Don't do that. Oh, really? Stranger Things gonna come out around that time? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Wow. That's not bad then. Oh, is that nothing? I feel like I could done more stuff, just basically. Yeah. No, Stranger Things, yeah, it is actually already ended, but then they decided to do it again, and like with like adult, like when they're like grow up and stuff, I think. I think they have a trailer about it too. I think I remember that. Australia don't really have like Thanksgiving stuff. So when is Thanksgiving? I literally do not remember the date. Is that like in December? Last week of November? Turkey and football game. That's what I know too. I only know turkey, and then you gotta eat with your family and turkey. They always make turkey. That's how I know from watching Friends. They like turkey. Second season of your favorite animes? Which one? And you argue with your sister. David Stater. Oh, is that what your Thanksgiving's gonna happen? I'm so sorry for that. I am so sorry. You make a pretty good turkey. I believe in you. I believe in you. Cause you're a good cook. You're a good cook. You cook my patty good. Hi, respect. Hi, respect. We're almost done with the keyboard. It's pretty common theme in the US. Really? I didn't know that at all. That's interesting. Wait, does it has to be uncle? That's interesting. That's interesting. Ooh, time for ice cream. family getting into? Do you have to like gathering with like big family, like your whole family, like all of your like relatives or something? I probably asked this question many times, but I still don't. The uncles, the only ones who don't get married. Wait a second, that sounds so sad though. I feel bad for them. No, I feel bad for them. That's very sad actually. Oh god. You're being a single uncle. Oh, but you're not being racist and stuff, so I guess you're okay. I guess you're fine. You're probably gonna be okay. You probably passed. That's the only time you see around Christmas and Thanksgiving. What about New Year? You know, what about New Year and like other like celebration time? You know, like do you guys not have other like celebration time? I know like Asian have like Chinese New Year, Lunar New Year. Yeah, Lunar New Year, Chinese New Year. Malaysia has a lot of like festival and stuff. Has a lot of celebration. Yeah, sure. You talking like whole family? That makes. We play with fire, too much chaos. Yeah, makes sense. It's a lot of chaos. I think in Australia, fireworks is not. It's illegal. You cannot buy fireworks. You cannot play without like not having license or anything. I think it's illegal. Unofficial season as family drama. Dogo, what are you doing, Dogo? Dogo's. Yeah, I think so too. I think you do need a special license to get nowadays because I think like back in like 10-15 years ago, like fireworks are like actually okay, but nowadays just too chaotic. Reddit stories are true. Yes, it is an Iron Mouse Keycap said. I'm changing it, but I might like change it out later on, like maybe like white in one part and then the rest like the Iron Mouse part. You know what I'm saying? I gotta like figure it, customize a little. yeah. Customize a little bit. Thanks for the timeout. You played that bad, just time out. You don't have to ban them yet. Ah, thank you for the hydrate. Thank you. I've been watching this. Thank you for the hydrate. I do get a lot of wow messages, so I try like not to look at it too much. Hi Kay, how are you doing? Yeah, I just try not to worry about those messages. People just want to get attention. They're lonely, you know. It's okay. We just have different personality. Yeah, it's a carrot juice, and yes, it's a new keycap. It's a gift, so I'm trying to like change the keycaps. So far, it's going really well. Oh, don't worry about it. I actually get a lot of racist comment nowadays, so definitely I'm not worried about it at all. Lily has been a little bit more crazy, so I just laugh it off, you know. Yeah, I know it's a nice gift. I am very grateful for it. I'm lonely too, but I don't bug them. Oh, Zena, you way too kind. Thank you. Yeah, which is okay. I'm actually getting used to it. It's just the world. The world is changing. And people are getting more nervous and stuff, so you're definitely wild out there. Don't need to be lonely while you're here at the daycare. You're so cute, respect. Thank you for taking care of the goblins. Thanks for taking care of the goblins. Yeah. Just think about mommy. What the heck? That is so funny. That is so funny. Hello games and goodbye. You love cleaning your keyboard and switching out? Oh. Yeah, losing the keycaps are actually like kind of bad. Yeah. Yay, I won your bestie. Yay. Yeah, Lieutenant. Lieutenant Dan. Wait, why are you calling yourself Lieutenant? Yes, you're welcome here. As long as you're not being a gremlin, you're welcome. Just don't be a gremlin. Being gremlin, you're gonna go to the timeout box. Otherwise, you can share snacks and feel welcome. It's cloudy, huh? Sham, hi, welcome back. Yeah, the last keycap. Oh my god, you counted it, Neko. Yes, it's the last one. Shall we put it together? The last keycap. Wait, let me brush it up a little. It looks good. Actually, it looks really good. I like it. And then the cinnamon roll, and then the Pikachu, and then Kirby steaks. It all stays. It looks kind of nice. I like it. It actually looks kind of nice. Very, very refreshing. Very, very refreshing. Very refreshing. It looks really good. Thank you so much again for sending me the keycaps. It's actually really nice. I like it. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Now I can type a lot. Like fast, like... That's all I type. Okay, I don't know why I do that, but what is that dashpad? Oh shit, you're not allowed to see it. You're not supposed to see that. It's my hentai dashpad. Don't look at it. Yamete kudasai. Don't look at it. Do not look at it. Don't worry about that. Yeah, don't worry about that. No. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Just stop looking at it, okay? Yeah. It's done. It's done. It's done. Now time for some cozy game, chat. Time for some cozy game. It's too late, huh? It's too late. It's too late now. Uh-oh. Thank you, Zama. Thank you. I'm trying to change subject. Change the subject, chat. Quick. Help me change the subject. Oh wait, I have to turn back on. I forgot. It's actually not as loud as the white keyboard, white keycap. It's less. It's quiet. It's more quiet. The white keycap, it's louder actually. Go Ethan! Welcome back. Welcome back. But the lights are actually a little bit covered now, so it's not like as bright as before. But I think it's pretty good. I think it's still pretty good. You don't like clicky keys that much? I like it though sometimes. Sometimes I like clicky like. Yeah, that was almost an hour. Yes. I changed the keycap for like an hour. An hour and a half actually. Oh my god, I changed it for so long. I thought I could get it done by like 20 minutes. But it's like an hour. Crazy. Yeah, Cham, you're in the timeout zone now. You're being naughty today, Cham. I thought 14 minutes. No. I took my time. Yes, I took my time. Every single one of them represent a nice texture. You know, I gotta take my time to like appreciate it, to like look at it.